How to fix Windows 11 update errors. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about Windows 11 and how you're going to be able to fix all of its update errors in the easiest way. Now, currently I have a Windows 10, but to give you an example of what Windows 11 errors look like, basically, once you come over to the check for updates section and you try to update your Windows, over here, it will give you an error for your update. It will tell you that you either can't update it or there is no update, even though there is going to be an update. So, in the case that the Windows Cloud is giving you an error on the update, what you can do to fix this for yourself is first of all, you're going to make sure that all of the other files related to Windows software or tech are deleted. So, for that, what you're going to do is you are going to come over here, hit Windows and R on your PC. That will open the run section. And what you're going to do from here is you're going to write percentage temp percentage. Okay. And you're going to click on OK. And what this does is it opens up these temporary files. Now, these temporary files have a lot of cache and other things that Windows doesn't need. And in some cases, these might cause issues with your Windows. And as you can see, I have over 16 gigabytes of temporary files, and these could cause issues with my Windows update. So once you have cleared these temp files out, what you're going to do from here on out is you're going to go over to any browser and you're going to go over to Microsoft website where it says download Windows 11. Now over here, it's going to give you the current release of the update. So simply go over ahead to download now. Now, don't worry, it won't reinstall the Windows all over again. If you already have Windows 11, it will detect that and it will only download any recurring update that is needed to be added. And that is how you're going to fix your Windows 11 update errors in the easiest way. So thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.